Hello everyone, welcome. Thanks for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. Today's an open house video. I'm located here in the village of Point Siena, here in the Villages, Florida. We have a 3-bedroom and 2.5 bathroom Bridgeport model designer home, offered at $599,900. Let's go inside and take a look. This is a Bridgeport model. Like I mentioned before, it is a 3-bedroom and 2.5 bathroom home. It is a block and stucco home. It is in very good condition. The front of this home does face northeast. The back of the home faces southwest. I will pan the street and I will show you that is panning east. This home is located on a cul-de-sac. That is the cul-de-sac down there. That is west. This home is offered at $599,900. It has granite countertops. It is on a corner lot, like I mentioned before. It does have a brick paver driveway, actually. And as always, friends, you can contact Carrie Wenzel at Coldwell Banker if you need more information. It does have a 2-car garage and a golf cart garage. And this home does seem to be in very good condition. It is on a corner lot, as you can see. And the landscaping is in excellent condition. Let's go inside, friends, and take a look. Here I am in the foyer area, and the first thing I notice is this beautiful tile floor. Knockdown texture on the ceilings. Off to the left, you will see 2 guest bedrooms, and they have laminate floors. Off to the front, you'll see a living, dining area, as well as your lanai. Let's take a walk into the first guest bedroom. That is a single bed. Very high ceilings, knockdown texture, raised panel doors, bifold doors on the closet, very large window. It has a Jack and Jill bathroom where you have a tile shower, tile surround as well, very high ceilings, and you have the second bedroom. You do have granite countertops, white cabinets in that Jack and Jill bathroom. There is a sliding pocket door between the bedrooms and the bathroom. This is your second bedroom. That appears to be a queen-size bed to give it perspective. Very light and bright home. Raised panel doors on the closets. Back out into the foyer area. And into that living and dining space. This is a closet this is your half bathroom. Right there, tile floors, granite countertops, white cabinets. Off into this living space, very large tray ceiling, very high ceilings as well. Off to the right, you do see your kitchen area. And off to the back of the home, facing southwest, is your lanai. Let's take a walk out into the lanai. It has tile floors, very large patio doors. And this lanai even has a television. You have that pebble coating covering your concrete. This is your backyard, friends. Corner lot. Very quiet neighborhood. This lanai is awesome. Let's go into the kitchen. This is the kitchen and dining area. Another tray ceiling, granite countertops, stainless appliances, tile backsplash. Very cool tile backsplash. Natural gas stove. Does have an island right there. It does have slide out drawers too throughout. These drawers do slide, actually shelves, sliding shelves. Here is another lanai. This looks like a tiki bar. Here's another lanai. This lanai faces east. It does have the pebble coating over the concrete. Very comfortable. Beach tiki theme. It does have a patio out here where you could do some barbecuing. The roof was replaced in the year 2020. HVAC was replaced in 2017. Hot water heater was replaced in 2020. And the golf cart is to be purchased separately. Let's go back into this home. Take a look at what the rest of this home has to offer. There you have a small office desk area, granite countertops, dark bronze hardware. Here is your laundry room with a pocket door, very tall cabinets. Let's go into the garage and take a look. Stepping out into the garage, it has a painted concrete floor that seems to be in very good condition, very high ceilings. It is a two-car garage with a golf cart garage, and the golf cart is to be purchased separately. It has a sink as well. Very large space in this garage. You will find the mechanicals behind that door there. That should be your HVAC system. It has shelving units in this garage as well. That is your hot water heater. That was replaced in 2020 right there, friends. Next, I will go into this home and I will show you the primary bedroom. Very high ceilings, recessed lights in that kitchen area. The primary bedroom is in the back of the home, has laminate floors. That's a king-size bed to give you perspective of the size of this room. Very high tray ceiling. Off to this side, you do have a master bathroom or primary bathroom, walk-in shower, Roman type shower in this home. Very nice. Granite countertops, 2 sinks, walk-in closet, laminate floors, very large walk-in closet. Let's go back out and take a look at the rest of this home. As always, feel free to contact Carrie Wenzel if you have if you need more information about this home. That's her contact information. I'll leave it in the description below as well. I will turn around and show you the rest of this house. There you have it. 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom, Bridgeport model designer home, offered at $599,900, located in the village of Point Siena. Have a great day, everyone.